dreams that are so fine. Life is for us to live, and if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it right. I'll give you love the last forever. I promise to be nearest when you come, and the only heart I own for you and you alone. That's all. I can only give you once in the springtime, and a hand to hold when leaves begin to fall, and a love that's born in light to walk the winter's night. That's all. That's all. There are those, I'm sure, who have told you they will give you the world for a dime. All I have are these arms to enfold you. That a lifetime can never destroy. If you're wondering what I'm asking in return, dear, I'll be glad to